wonderful thing, Juice Plus Energy. So what the heck is Juice Plus? It's whole foods. And guess what? For those who work out all the time on a daily basis, they've came up with a protein powder that's so delicious, 25 grams per serving, darling, that helps you maintain your energy throughout the day. Oh my God, how wonderful. It's called Perform, and I love this stuff. A scoop of this in this recipe is awesome. So you take golden milk, right? About 2 cups of it. And you put it in a pot. And you're gonna warm it up in the morning. And you're gonna blend it up good. I use 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon in this blend with the Perform. In 2 cups, heat it up, drink it down. You can actually use this with coffee if you really, really like your coffee. Go for it. But this is really, really awesome. So when you begin your workout, your maintained energy instead of crashing at the end of the day. And then I take my Juice Plus supplements, concentrated, fruits, vegetables, and veggies in a capsule form. So whole foods, right? If you don't like taking pills, no problem. Take the Juice Plus capsules, drop them in some water, let them dissolve, put them in your Parashake. Wonderful. So why, Athena, are you so energetic? Because Juice Plus whole foods, we don't eat enough fruits and vegetables every day. I certainly don't. I can't eat salads every day, and some of us don't like salads, right? No. And that's how we get our greens, through raw vegetables. That's how I get our electrolytes, our vegetables, our vitamins. So what do? You take something that is whole foods that supplements what you don't eat. Oh my God, that's so wonderful. I just wanted to share with you this wonderful Juice Plus program. You got your fruits, veggies, berries, and omegas, vegetable omegas that I take every day. Click the link below for a quick 2-minute video on what doctors are saying, how healthy this nutritional whole food is. And you can click the link after that to order your Juice Plus supplements. But call me in case you have any questions, or text me. You'll see my number down below in case you have any questions, because sometimes you're confused about, okay, where do I start? Or if you want samples, what a wonderful thing it is. We will give you samples out at each yoga class. Juice Plus. Oh, what energy!